Continuing on with my lever padlock series, I guess. Here we have a Squire 440. It's a 4 lever. It doesn't want to focus. Come on. You can do it. There you go. 4 levers. Squire and Sons. Made in England. Got the same shutter just like the Ace had. Same opening procedure. One full turn clockwise, it's unlocked. Turn it back clockwise, or counterclockwise rather, it's locked up again. I'm going to use a little shorter tension bar this time. And the same pick as before. And there she is, picked open. Get the tool out now. Or attempt to get the tool back out. The toughest part for me, I think, is getting the tool back out of it. They're just trapped behind the tension bar. I'll get the hang of these one of these days. There we go. Tension bar. Ha! Got him out. So that's it. Squire 440 4 lever picked open. Thanks for watching.